From the sacred whispers of divine protectors comes a startling revelation about someone in authority who's been discussing your replacement. Why? They've discovered something crucial that others can't see, like a guardian watching over your future. Imagine learning that what feels like rejection is actually divine protection. That's what's happening right now. This decision maker feels compelled to act quickly and is determined for you to understand what the R in their plan truly represents. If you believe in divine intervention, give a like and subscribe. Your guardian angels want you to know that this replacement has been arranged for your highest good. I need you to listen carefully to what I'm about to reveal. The angels are specifically pointing this message toward you. The angels want you to know that this authority figure has been watching your situation for what feels like weeks. It's like they've been carrying the burden of seeing you in the wrong place at the wrong time. The secret: they're planning to replace you to save you from something harmful. Learning this might feel shocking, and feeling confused or scared is completely understandable. In the quiet moments of divine guidance, there's a message from heaven telling a story about someone who saw danger in your current situation. This tale isn't about any ordinary workplace decision. It's about a caring soul who was moved by your dedication and noticed your struggle. They turned away from colleagues who wanted to ignore the problems and supervisors focused only on productivity, numbers. Their attention settled firmly on protecting your well-being instead of maintaining the status quo that was harming you. This person decided to act on their concern for your future, completely ignoring the criticism from their peers. Now facing a critical decision, they can't wait to see you safe, free from the toxic environment that was draining you and too worried to let this continue any longer. If these words bring something hopeful inside you, if they echo concerns you've been quietly holding, give a like and type "protected" in the comments. Let's share the comforting message that the divine messengers have brought to us. They remind us that being replaced isn't always about failure or inadequacy. It's not measured by how perfectly you followed every rule. No, divine replacement is found in the wisdom of removing you from harm and in the protection that flows from above, guiding you toward better opportunities. You are valuable and worthy, regardless of your current work situation. Your real strength shines brightly through the resilience you show and the effort you give, blessing the world in ways staying in wrong places never could. Let this message be a beacon for those who felt rejected and misunderstood. Remember, even when faced with dismissal or difficult changes, your character, your skills, and your potential for growth define you far beyond any job title could. Stand tall, knowing that your future is protected, and let the knowledge that you are being moved for divine reasons, not personal failures, be the light that guides you forward. Let me share something that happened just 2 months ago. David, a viewer just like you, was struggling at his job. Every morning he'd wake up feeling that heavy weight of stress pressing down. His boss was demanding, his coworkers were competitive, and he couldn't see any way to improve things. But he kept watching these messages, hoping for guidance. Then one Wednesday morning he got called into HR and told he was being replaced. At first, he felt crushed, like his world was ending. But as he cleaned out his desk with trembling hands, he discovered that his manager had actually protected him from massive layoffs coming the next month. This manager had no obligation to help, but remembered David's honest work ethic. She arranged his replacement to save him from unemployment, with a referral to a better company. David called me in gratitude. "How did you know?" he asked. "You talked about protective replacement the week before it happened." That's because these messages aren't just coincidence, they're divinely timed. The angels whispered to me who needs to hear what guidance. And today they're whispering your name. Right now, place your right hand over your throat and your left hand over your heart. If you're ready to receive this protection, this physical position opens your trust channels and aligns your energy with divine safety. If this message is reaching your soul, Consider joining our spiritual family by becoming a member. Members receive exclusive career protection readings, personal transition guidance videos, and special blessing ceremonies for new beginnings every week. Just click the join button below. Your angels are waiting to guide your next steps. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to reveal the specific danger this replacement is protecting you from and why this person feels urgency to act now. The universe is secretly clearing your path from harmful situations, like removing obstacles that block your true destiny. So there's no reason to fear this change. Your guardian angel is giving you a warning that all the forces of protection are working overtime just for you. They're like your personal safety team, helping you avoid damage and steering you toward your purpose. Time is moving quickly, but guess what? You're about to receive protection like never before. Your angels are hinting that you're super close to escaping this problematic situation. The universe is working fast to make sure this rescue finds its way to you, setting you up for an opportunity that's truly life-changing. Picture yourself getting the news about your replacement. The initial shock feels overwhelming. You walk to your car, sit in silence, and suddenly realize a weight has been lifted. You turn the key, drive home, and there it is. A sense of freedom you hadn't felt in months. Your phone buzzes with a message about a new opportunity that feels perfect. How can you be certain this message is meant for you? The universe sends clear signs when protection is heading your way. If you've experienced any of these 7 divine signals recently, prepare yourself. This replacement has your name on it. First, you've been feeling unusually drained or stressed at work lately, like your energy is being pulled away. Second, you've had dreams about doors closing and new paths opening or escaping from confined spaces. Your subconscious is preparing you. Third, you found feathers or coins in unexpected places. The universe's way of saying protection is coming. Fourth, you've recently felt drawn to update your resume or learn new skills without knowing why. Fifth, you've noticed birds or butterflies appearing when you think about your work situation. Sixth, you felt strange peace about job security lately instead of your normal worry. And seventh, you felt a wave of emotion, maybe even relief or recognition. While watching this very video, that's your soul acknowledging truth when it hears it. Look carefully at what happens in your life in the next 48 hours after hearing this message. The signs will confirm everything I'm sharing with you today. If this message of protective change is what you needed today, show some love with a like and drop a 777 in the comments. Wait, before I continue, I'm getting a strong message specifically for someone watching right now. If you've been feeling extra anxious about job security, lately this protection is trying to reach you, but your fear is blocking it. The next part is crucial for you. The big message here is that something protective is about to happen, opening doors that seemed locked before. But there's some inner work to do first. It's time to clear your mind from any fears that cloud your trust in divine timing. This might mean having to let go of old security patterns and making some faithful choices, but to really step into this protected future, it's a step you must take. Ready to receive this protection? Hit like and say "trust" in the comments to show you're willing to let divine intervention work. When this replacement happens, and it will, here are the 5 critical first steps to take that both protect and multiply your blessing. Step 1. Pause and breathe. Don't fight the decision or argue with anyone in the first 72 hours. The angels say many block divine gifts by resisting what saves them. Instead, light a white candle, express gratitude for protection, and sit with the transition. Step 2. Create a sacred transition space in your home. Clear off a small table. Place a blue cloth over it and add symbols of new beginnings like seeds or crystals. This becomes your guidance altar where you'll plan your next steps and connect with divine wisdom. Step 3. Connect with only one trusted friend about your situation. Someone who carries positive energy about change. Negative voices can block your protection flow and make you doubt divine timing. Step 4. Visualize your new path with this powerful exercise. Each night before sleep, close your eyes and see yourself in a better work environment. Feel the peace in your body. See yourself thriving and growing. Experience the relief washing through you. End by saying, I am protected. I am guided. I am grateful. Step 5. Use this transition to help others facing similar changes. The universe operates on compassion. When support flows through you to help others, it creates channels for more opportunities to come to you. Take 3 deep breaths with me right now. Breathe in trust. Exhale fear of change. Breathe in protection. Exhale anxiety about the future. Breathe in new beginnings. Exhale resistance to divine timing. God's plan is like this. After you release all those fearful thoughts that keep you clinging to wrong situations, it's time to focus on embracing divine protection every single day. This means taking care of your faith, spirit, and trust levels. It's about being grateful, learning about career transitions, setting new goals and believing in them. It's like saying, I won't fight this incredible intervention. Remember, every trusting thought you think matters. Just improve your faith bit by bit each day and let the universe handle the timing. You can't control exactly how this replacement happens, but you can choose how you respond to it, what you learn from it, and how you grow stronger. Aim to see the protection you're receiving and take daily steps toward your new direction. God sees the amazing future you're capable of with this fresh start, so keep that trust in yourself and don't ever give up on divine guidance. See yourself walking into your new workplace 6 months from now. The atmosphere feels lighter, the people seem kinder, and your responsibilities match your talents perfectly. Colleagues greet you with genuine respect as you settle into your role. You feel a mixture of peace and purpose. This is not just a job change. It's a complete life transformation. Notice the calm confidence in your posture. The same inner strength this authority figure recognized when they made the difficult decision to replace you. The energy of someone who trusts divine timing, symbols of the wisdom they saw in protecting your future. In just a moment, I'll reveal the exact danger this replacement is protecting you from, and why this person felt urgency to act before it was too late. If this message stirs something powerful in you, hit like and drop an amen in the comments. The specific danger is upcoming budget cuts that would have left you unemployed with no references. This person in management has inside knowledge and chose to replace you now with a positive recommendation, rather than let you face sudden termination later. You might be wondering about certain aspects of this divine protection. So let me address the 4 questions I'm hearing from your angels. Why replace me instead of fixing the problems? The person protecting you sees that some situations can't be fixed from within. Sometimes removal is the only way to save someone from a sinking ship, and they care more about your future than company politics. When exactly will this replacement happen? While the exact timing varies, the spiritual alignment suggests within 2.4 weeks. The universe is coordinating paperwork, transitions, and perfect timing for your maximum benefit. Will I be financially worse off? Not at all. Divine replacements come with better opportunities lined up. Anyone offering you less than you deserve isn't part of this protective plan. The true blessing leads to improvement in every area. What if I'm not ready for this change? Your soul is more prepared than your mind believes. The very fact you're receiving this message now is confirmation that you've grown to the exact point needed to handle this transition with grace and wisdom. Those feeling the protection already working can send a super thanks blessing of $5, $10, or $20. Each super thanks you send amplifies your own transition energy and helps this channel reach more souls who need these divine messages of hope. Remember, supporting others through change opens the door to receiving your own guidance and protection. I wasn't planning to share this detail, but I'm being guided to tell you something important about this person's plan. They, specifically, have a connection at another company who's been looking for someone with your exact skills and character. If you're asking for strength with this unexpected change, especially when it feels so scary, like suddenly losing solid ground beneath your feet, I'm asking the universe for help to gracefully handle this transition that's coming my way. Life's becoming unfamiliar territory with these changes, and I'm whispering into the heavens hoping for courage. With a trusting heart and eyes wide open, I'm saying, please help me embrace this replacement and make wise decisions. I'm thankful for this protective intervention and asking for the faith to see the blessing in disguise. I feel uncertain, like I'm standing at a crossroads and want to choose the right path forward. I need guidance to help me walk confidently through this sudden change. I admit I'm hopeful while dreaming of better days, something to fill my future with purpose and let peace spread through my life, turning this transition into a source of growth. To the loving spirit of protection, you're so caring and wise. My path ahead is bright with possibility, and I'm asking you to guide me and keep this blessing unfolding like dawn. Let my gratitude rise high into the sky, leading me to wisdom with each choice. With your guidance, my fears will fade away, and I'm looking forward to a future that's secure and meaningful. As I prepare for this replacement, take this prayer, and if you feel ready to, hit like, joining me in trusting this protective and blessed journey ahead.